Hey guys, what's good? This is Jeff from AGL Tech. Since you guys probably already know that I switched over to Apple, and you've probably seen that Apple watch on my wrist, so you guys are probably wondering, is he ever going to do a review on that? Well, first I had the Series 1, then I switched to Series 5, and now I'm going to do a review on it. So I had the 38mm Series 1 watch, and I thought it'd be hard to transition to the 44mm since it's so much bigger. And I thought maybe since it's so much bigger it'd be annoying and just not look as nice, but surprisingly, I feel like it fits better. And I've noticed the screen is like humongous compared to the Series 1 and 38mm, so it's really nice to have that more screen real estate. And of course, since it's the 5, it's gotten bigger, obviously, since the first one. So much hasn't really changed between the Series 4 and the Series 5, so it'll have nice brushed aluminum finish. And one of the newest and nicest features that a lot of people might use is the always on display. Now, I went and turned this off like right away, so I haven't really messed with it much. But maybe I'll do that for a comparison video to see the battery life. But supposedly you can still have the always on display and make the watch still last you all day. It probably just depends on your use. Now, one thing I kind of didn't like was the UI of all of the apps. They've also added a compass into the watch. Also, they added this app called Noise where you can monitor noise levels, which is, I think that's pretty cool. And of course, now this is water resistant, so it's nice not having to take it off every time to go do dishes, but I'll probably still do it just because water getting on my skin and under my watch will just irritate me. And also, I've noticed that I've been using the activity tracker a lot more on my new watch. And so, like, I've been staying up when it tells me to, when I've been staying down for an extended period of time. And then it's just kind of motivated me to be more active, I guess. Which is nice, since I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. But anyways, that's pretty much it. If you have any comments, comment down below. If you have a video idea, go ahead and comment down below too. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. And subscribe down below. Catch you guys in the next one.